Bowtay. Bowtay.
Game time!
Alright, today we're going to take on the original Oregon Trail. It was when settlers traveled nearly across the United States to settle on the West Coast. So it's a very, very old game, created on the original Macintosh Apple computers, and I know most people that remember this game. There's lots of ways for your family to die and get hurt. Not many people can make it through the trail, but we're going to give it a shot today and see how far we can make it, do some hunting, see what kind of crazy stuff we run into. So let's get started here. You're about to begin a great adventure traveling the Oregon Trail across the rugged landscape of North America. Your covered wagon, pulled by a team of oxen, will travel from Independence, Missouri to the fertile Willamette Valley of the Oregon Territory, a journey of approximately 2,000 miles. Before you set off on the trail, you must register your name, the names of the members of your wagon party, and your occupation. After that, you'll need to buy supplies and make other important decisions. Good luck. Good, because we'll need it. So I think it's best back in these days if we were a farmer or carpenter or something like that. Obviously a doctor wouldn't be so bad. But we need to know our way. So we're going to choose carpenter today. I'm going to choose Captain D. And the other people we're just going to leave. We'll have Sarah, Joey, Henry, and Emily. And okay. Alright, so we have $800 to buy supplies and goods. Okay, now I think it's best if we have enough oxen to make sure if they get hurt or something we can keep going. Sets of clothes, maximum of 50. So I think we all need a few sets of clothes. Bullets. We need lots of bullets to get food. So let's do 30 there. Spare wagon wheels. I know they can break quite often. Axles as well. Yeah. Let's try to do 5. Let's do 4 axles. Wagon tongues. Let's just do 4. Food, let's start with like 500. And that's what we'll start with. I'm afraid there's not enough room in your wagon to carry 5 wagon wheels. You'll have to go back and buy less. Okay then, let's just do 2. Should get us through to wherever we're going. Nope, can't have 4 wagon axles. Let's do 2 there, and I'm sure tongues we can't carry that many either. You decide when to set off on the trail. If you leave too early, there won't be much grass for your oxen to eat. You may encounter some very cold weather and late spring snowstorms, but if you leave too late, you may not get to Oregon before winter, which can be very dangerous. If you leave at just the right time, there will be green grass and, for the most part, mild weather. When do you want to start? I think we should start in April, when weather starts getting nicer. Okay, April 1st, 1848. It's a sunny day. We haven't gone anywhere. Yeah. So you started down the trail with 4 oxen, 5 sets of clothing, 600 bullets, 2 wagon wheels, 2 wagon axles, 2 wagon tongues, 500 pounds of food, and $450. Here we go. Let's continue. Here we go. We're marching down the trail. Okay. In 62 miles, we're going to hit a landmark. Ooh, there's a river coming up. Yep. Our health is still good. We got plenty of food. Here comes the river. Rivers are scary. A lot of bad things can happen. Oh boy. Okay, here goes. The Kansas River Crossing. April 1st, 1848, you started down the trail. Here we go. April 7th, you have reached the Kansas City River Crossing. Continue. You must cross the river to continue. The river is currently 630 feet wide and 5.5 feet deep. Attempt to ford the river. Cock the wagon and float it. Take a ferry for $5. I think the ferry is probably going to be a good idea in this case. That's deep and we have a very heavy wagon. There we go. Looks like we made it. We got safely across the river. Okie doke. Alright, on the road again. Okay, still rations are filling. We have 395 pounds and the wagon is moving. So, we've been traveling pretty steady here for about 8 days. We're just going to take a little rest. Important rest. Enjoy the nature. Let's rest for 2 days. Take some time off. All right. All right. On April 10th, we decided to go. Our health is still good. We have 350 pounds of food. And we're just resting. And we're on the way again. And since we're close to the river, I'm going to stop. And we're down to 320 pounds of food, so I'm going to hunt and see if anything's hanging out by the river. Okay, you're ready to hunt. This, when we were kids, was one of the funnest parts to the whole game. These rabbits are hard to get. We got one. Yes. It's only a couple pounds of food, but we'll take it. I feel like there isn't going to be much to hunt in this area. Oh no, definitely missed that one. Oh no. Oh yeah, 2 rabbits. Well, there's nothing but rabbits here. Oh yeah. Oh no, that one's fast. Yes. Alright. I think that'll do it for now. Okay, stop hunting. So, you brought back 5 pounds of food and used 10 bullets. If you continue hunting this area, game will become scarce. So, we'll move on. We got a little bit of fresh meat to eat. Sounds good. Let's go. We got another river to cross. Alright, Big Blue River Crossing. So, we are moving along. Let's continue. We must cross the river to continue. The river is currently 260 feet wide and 7 feet deep. Ooh. Cock the wagon and float it is our only option, it looks like, which is risky, but we can't take a ferry, so let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That was scary. Ooh. Made it safely across the river. That was amazing. Alright, marching along, and we're getting low on food again. Let's see if there's some bigger animals to hunt out here and make sure we keep enough food on hand. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. A bison. Squirrels running around. Oop, another bison. But we're not going to do that because I don't think we can carry that much meat back. You shot 416 pounds of food using 1 bullet, but we're only able to carry 200 pounds of food back to your wagon. If you continue to hunt in this area, game will become scarce. So let's move on. Henry was bitten by a snake. Oh boy, see that? Hope he's okay. The rations are still filling, and we're in good health otherwise. I guess snake bites are okay. All right, let's go. Health is good. We're moving. Partly cloudy. Looks like we're coming up on a camp of some sort. All right. Joey was bitten by a snake again. Where's that old? That Joey. Alright, once we get up close here, we'll take a little break. He was bitten by a snake. What are these kids doing? Alright, we're at Fort Kearney. Let's continue. Alright, we've been cruising along pretty good here. We're going to take a little rest again for 2 days and relax. Alright, we're resting here. On the road for quite a while now. Another 220 miles to the next landmark. Alright, and we're going. 250 pounds of food again, so we're going to take a time out. We're going to do some hunting. See what we can find here. Rabbit ain't gonna help us much, is it? But we'll take it. Alright, there we go. That's what we needed. We'll go for a little more rabbit stew here. Oh, there we go. Now we got some food. I don't think we can carry another deer back, so let's stop hunting. 59 pounds of food and use 5 bullets. You continue hunting this area will become scarce. So, that wasn't a lot. So I think we should go back and see if we can get one more deer. Alright, come on. Yeah, bunny. Oh no, missed it. Come on, we saw another deer. Where are you at? Come on, come on, come on. Where are you? There we go. It's just about to move. Come on. Come out, wherever you are. Alright, that's good enough for now. 53 pounds, 2 bullets. Good. We're done resting. We will continue. Good. Well, we're just a little ways here, but we could still use some more food, I think, pretty soon. Everybody's in good health. Emily's well again. And we're cruising right along. 111 miles left to the next landmark. We've traveled almost 500 miles already. We're doing pretty good. Alright, we're going to take a time out again. And we're going to rest. 2 days again. An ox is sick, so hopefully we can give that a little rest and make the ox feel a little bit better. What the ox has. Now let's go hunt. There, what's out here? Looks like the same kind of land. Squirrel. Fast. Oh yeah, we got one there. Oh no. Come on. Oh no. Alright, 2 squirrels ain't gonna do much for us. There we go. There we go. Now we got enough food for a while. 438 pounds of food and carry 200 back to your wagon. If you continue to hunt, we will not do that. Perfect. Now we got lots of food again. And let's go. Moving along. Alright, 40 miles to the next landmark. And we're almost there. May 20th, 1848. Chimney Rock. Nice. As long as we're here, we're going to check on our rations. Dylan, how much do you want to eat? A pair of bones, meager. Okay. We're doing fine. Sarah's good. Everybody's feeling good, which is amazing. It won't last forever, I'm sure. We have plenty of supplies. We've had no breakdowns. Excellent. Let's see the map. Let's continue past Chimney Rock. Alright, here we go. Almost 600 miles. Everybody's doing good. Food supplies are good. We're 60 miles away from our next landmark. It's almost the end of May. Everybody's doing good. And I'm going to take a short little break here. Get everybody some rest, maybe, if it'll let me stop. Good, there we go. Let's rest for 2 days. I think we're doing pretty good time-wise. Alright. And then let's do a little hunt while we're resting here. Ooh, this is different. Oh yeah, good deer. Ooh. There we go. Alright, that should get us about 100 pounds, I would guess. 77 pounds. Alright, well, I'll take it. Yeah, we could use a little more. Let's see if we can get one more deer. I like to keep around 300 plus pounds of food if we can. Alright, there we go. There we go, that'll help. Well, there's a lot of deer here, so it's a good spot. Perfect. Alright. We got 103 pounds of food and used 2 bullets. Beautiful. Over 300 pounds of food. Once we're done resting, we will move on. Let's go. Everybody's doing good, I think. 35 miles, 18 miles to the next landmark. Looks like another fort. Alright, Fort Laramie. That's pretty cool looking. Alright, let's see our status. We are all doing good. We got all our supplies. Everything's looking good. Let's go back to our map. Let's continue. June 3rd, 1848. We're marching along. We're doing good. Everything looks good. And we've been traveling for quite a few days straight. Pretty soon we'll take a little break. Do a little hunting again. June 6th. Down to 200 pounds of food. Alright, let's take a break before everybody gets worn out. Let's rest for just 1 day this time. And let's see if we can score a little extra food. Ooh. Trees out here, there's got to be some deer, you'd think. Maybe. Ooh, bison, even better. Oh, I missed them. There's lots of them. There we go. That's what we needed. Okay. 200 pounds of food. Got a little rest in. Let's roll. 160 miles to the next landmark. Okay, it's sunny, June 12th. Everybody's still doing good. I cannot believe that we haven't had an ox died. There we go. I was going to say. Nothing major has happened besides some snake bites. I'm like, it's time for something bad to happen, unfortunately. And there went an ox. Alright, we're still doing good. We're going to take a little rest again. We'll go one day. Alright, and we're going to continue. Food's dwindling again a little bit. Take a little break here in a minute and do some hunting once we get a little closer to that next landmark. And it's coming, so let's take a little break here. We'll rest for a day, get everybody rest up. And I'll do a little hunting. See if I can find something other than squirrels. Probably not. They are fast. Oh, that's fast. Wow. Okay. A squirrel and an elk, I believe that is, or caribou. Let's see if we can get one more to come here. One more large animal, that is. Alright, nothing. Here we go. Oh no! Oh no! Too fast. Okay. Only 29 pounds. Alright, we're gonna have to do that one more time. Definitely need some more food. Not much happening. Well, of course, try another spot. And then the animal comes out. Whoa, that's a fast rabbit. We'll take it though. Come here, dear. No, get back here, dear. Oh, there we go. Come on. No, they're too fast. Oh. Let's see if there's anything over here. Come on, we need more. No. No, we need more food. Okay, one more chunk so we can buy some food at the next place here. Oh, there we go. Problem solved. Yes, that'll help. Yes. That's what we needed. Now we can go. Let's go. Doing good. 780 miles. Delayed. Severe storm. And it's sunny today. So the storm is over. Alright, and it's rainy today. Okay, we're almost to the next landmark. Staying alive. Alright, let's see if we're allowed to buy something. You only buy supplies at forts. Well, never mind then. But we're going to check our status. Oxen, we're down to 3. Everybody's in good health though, so that's great. Let's go here. Let's choose to rest today as long as we're at the fort or at the rock. Do a little sightseeing. And who knows, it might be a good spot to hunt because we are getting low on food. It's not allowed, so let's go. Alright. Let's do a timeout and let's go hunting here then. We need food. Ooh, come on. Oh, there we go. That looks like an elk. Ooh. There we go. Lots of animals here. 200 pounds. Let's go. Resting and let's roll. Sunny on July 14th. You've traveled 848 miles. Okay. And let's see if we can't delay it. You took the wrong trail. Well, that's not good. Okay. How many days are we losing here? July 19th, July 20th. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's get some more food since we're lost. Not good. Okay. Bring it on. No way, a bear. You know they had bears on here. Oh, I was going to say we totally need a bear. Nice. I had no idea we could shoot bear. Alright, let's roll. Let's get back on track here, people. How far lost did we get? That was ridiculous. Alright, 57 miles to the next landmark. Moving along. 300 pounds of food. And I do believe we're approaching the halfway mark pretty soon, which is crazy. Alright, everybody's doing good. 21 miles to the landmark, and then we'll take a little break. I feel like now is always a good time to hunt. Ooh. Those things are fast. Come on. Whoa, whoa. There we go. Woo. Perfect. That's all we need. We're not going to take more than we need. It's only 45 pounds. These things are tiny. What is going on? All right. We'll take we want to keep moving here. It's August already. August 1st. So we are at the South Pass. And we're moving right along. Let's roll. So, the trail divides here. Which way do you want to go? Head to Fort Bridger to buy supplies. Take the shortcut to the Green River Crossing. Well, shortcuts aren't a good idea, but since we lost a lot of time, I think that's what we gotta do. Alright, it's August already, so we gotta get moving. Emily has the measles. So we are delayed, and Ox wandered off. Well, how about that Ox get its butt back here? Alright, now we're moving. I would like to take a 2-day rest so Emily can rest. And we fixed a broken wagon wheel and we found some wild fruit. That's great, but we do need more food still. Let's see what we can get. Find some more bears. That was awesome. Yeah, buffalo works good too. American bison. Oh, we don't need to shoot anymore. We can't carry it back. Good. Okay. Awesome. Lots more food. Emily is well again. Yes. Now we're good. Sunny August 13th. 82 miles to the next landmark. Emily has a fever. Which I know better. That could be a lot of things. I think we should give her a little rest. I'll do a quick little hunt while she's resting. Get her some fresh food. And yes, bear time. Beautiful. Okay, 91 pounds of meat from the bear. Alright, let's roll. Let's see, it doesn't say how Emily's doing, which would be really nice to know. Take a time out and see how everybody's doing. Emily still has a fever, it says. Everybody's in fair condition, which means I want to take a break. There we go. Now they're back in good condition. Emily's fever is gone. Resting is the key, I think, it seems like. Didn't know that as a kid, but Emily has a broken leg. Well, Gonna be a rough ride in the wagon, I guess. 21 bullets, one wagon wheel, one wagon axle, and a banging wagon. You decided to call a timeout. Okay, so we found lots of good stuff. Getting low on food though. Do a little hunt. See what we can find. Feed the fam. Bam. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright. Ooh, a little rabbit stew. Beautiful. Oh yeah. A lot of cleaning to do. Beautiful. Good. Let's go. Everybody's in good health, it looks like. Lots of food. Another scary river coming up. 18 miles. We should be there in no time. It's already September though. Okie dokie. Emily got sick and died. Wow. That happened really fast. That is super sad. So what did Emily get? Jeez. Okay, so we're at Green River Crossing. Alright. I think we should just stop for a second and rest for 2 days. After Emily's death, we should all recover and take a break. I was hoping it would improve our health a little bit. I lost a person. Okay, let's see what we can do. We must cross. It's 21 feet deep. I am taking no chances. We're going to pay for a ferry. And we made it. Yes. We didn't lose any more people. We found some wild fruit. That's good. Everybody's in good health again. Okay, our rations are filling. 117 miles to the next landmark. Go for a little while here yet. Everybody's doing good. And it's cloudy September 13th. 80 miles to the next landmark. We're getting a little bit low on food, so take a little time out. And it'll get us some food. There we go. That's what we needed. Perfect. And let's continue. Everybody's doing good. A little resting. September 17th. There we are, 60 miles from the next landmark. This one looks neat. What is this? Cool, cool. Alright, looks like a good place to rest. 27 miles. September 22nd. Alright, I don't think we'll rest till we get there. Hopefully everybody's doing good. We found some wild fruit. That was the last part. And we have reached Soda Springs. Very cool. Let's see how everybody's looking besides our passed away family member there. We are doing pretty good. So let's roll. 57 miles to the next landmark. Everybody's doing good. Let's do a little hunt. Keep our food supplies up because it can go fast sometimes. Alright, hope we find more than squirrels. Let's take those guys. Let's try another spot. We'll move here. A lot of squirrels to get some meals in. There we go. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. That's exactly what we needed. Another 100 pounds. Let's get to that fort. Here we go. 30 miles. 20 miles, September 29th. Just got to keep keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Here we go. Fort Hall. Are we able to buy stuff? Yes. Let's check our supplies first. 3 oxen, 5 sets of clothing, 2 wagon tongues. We're doing pretty good. Supplies are great. I think we want to buy 1 oxen though. And how many bullets did we have? Let's get back there. Lots of bullets, I think. So let's buy 1 oxen. And just to get some more clothes. Axles are likely to go. And let's buy 100 pounds of food. All right, let's roll. Here we go. This is October 3rd already. We got a lot of moving to do. 158 miles to the next landmark. Everybody's doing good. We have 300 pounds of food. Sitting good. We'll go a few more miles here and take a little break. October 7th, time is flying by. 1,300 miles traveled. Now let's take a rest. 1 day should do it, because everybody seems to be doing good. Do a little hunting. See if we can stock up on some food. Oh no! These things are so fast. There's a regular white-tailed deer. A little more food there. There we go. See if we get 1 more thing. Perfect. 138 pounds. That'll help. There we go. October 13th. I hope it doesn't snow soon. That'll be our next problem, is not getting going. Took the wrong trail again. That is not good. Getting late in the season, October 18th. Henry has dysentery. Let's take a 1 day break for him to recover. We'll get a little more food. Here we go. Let's see if we can get 1 more. We got 1 deer down there. I don't want a whole buffalo. We don't need it, do we? Alright, that's good enough. 51 pounds. Let's roll. October 23rd. Okay, we're getting close. 20 miles from the river. Okay, we reached the Snake River crossing. Let's see how Henry's doing. Henry's good. Wasn't sure. Perfect. You must cross the river to continue. The river is currently 1,000 feet wide and 6 feet deep. Ironing to help for 3 sets of clothes. Cock the wagon and float it. Oh, 3 sets of clothes it is. An Indian help us. Native American, yes. Made it. Sarah was bitten by a snake. That's not good. A fire in your wagon destroyed 368 bullets and 2 wagon wheels. That is not great news. 80 miles to go to the next landmark. 200 pounds of food. A fire in your wagon destroyed 3 sets of clothing and 1 wagon wheel. We need to take a break here and we have to do lots of buying. Ready to hunt. get some squirrel meat, I guess. There we go. We definitely need a bison. Perfect. 200 pounds of food. Back in business. Here we go. To the next fort so we can stock back up. Ooh. Here we go. 24 miles to the next one. It's November 5th. Sarah is well again. Moving along. Perfect. We need to get some supplies. Let's see how our stuff is. We need clothes and bullets and wagon wheels. We should get like 3 sets of clothes for sure. 2 wagon wheels. And let's get some bullets. Just to be safe, in case we lose some more. Let's buy that up. Oh, I forgot to look. How our oxen's doing. We got 4 still. They're doing good, it looks like. So we need, I want to go 4 there. And boxes of bullets, let's do 2. And then we need I think that's all we need, right? Let's check what we got now. We need wagon wheels there, dude. Wagon wheels. He doesn't have any. That is not good. So let's see what happens. Like, get us one. Give us one, please. Oh, it's because we have none. I didn't know it showed that. Let's get 2. 3, 2, 4, 4. Good. Let's roll. People are only in fair condition, so let's take a little break. And while we break, I might as well hunt. Really don't even want a squirrel, but it's food. And we get plenty of bullets as swords now. Let's find something bigger. Alright. There we go. That's what we needed. Beautiful. Okay, that helps. 300 pounds of food. We're back in good condition. And moving on out. We've traveled almost 1,600 miles. We have 124 miles to the next landmark. November 12th. November 15th. Everybody's good. Moving along. Traveled 1,600 miles now. 88 miles to the next landmark. Weather is getting cold. That's for sure. We gotta get moving on. Rough trail, it says. Blizzard. We are delayed. Here came the snow. Let's take a little break and get some food before we run out. Hope we can find some animals in the snow. Ooh, that's a hard one. Let's move. There we go. Get back here. Oh, we need this bison. There we go. Beautiful. That is what we needed. 43 miles to the next landmark. Kind of feel like we might have started a little late, starting in April, but we're getting there. 1,700 miles traveled. Everybody's good. We got food. And then we hit another landmark. Henry has a broken arm. And the trail is impassable. I mean, it's plugged with snow. Alright. We're delayed and burning through food. Okay. Let's see if there's some animals here. Yes, sir. There we go. 200 pounds of food back to your wagon. Let's roll. Lots of food now. We're in fair health, but we need to get to this last landmark here. We're running out of time. It's December. Grand Ronde in the Blue Mountains. Broken arm. Everybody's in fair condition. So, once we get out of here, we're going to take a little break. Head to Fort Walla Walla to buy supplies. The trail divides here. Which way do you want to go? Take the shortcut to the Dalles. Okay, let's go. Fort Walla Walla, just in case we need supplies. I feel like last time that didn't work very well. Delayed for another blizzard. Okay. Let's rest for 2 days because everybody's in fair condition. Let's see if we can rest and warm up. And 120 miles to the next landmark. Another blizzard slowing us down. 262 pounds of food. Let's take a 1 day break. Do a little hunting. That's what we needed. Let's get one more. Come on. Yes. All right. Make sure. There we go. 200 pounds. We're in good health now. Lots of food. Lots of clothes. It's just chilly. December 24th. Christmas time is here. So I think we should rest and enjoy a day for Christmas. Henry has a broken arm. Merry Christmas, Henry. All right, back on the road. Okay, December 29th. We're almost on to a new year. Fair conditions. Let's take us a little break. Stock up on food. Food is quite important for us to survive, so there we go. And there we go. Bringing home some deer bacon. Alright, let's roll. And we're moving on 65 miles to the next landmark. We've traveled 1,800 miles. January 7th, 1849. Joey's well again. Everybody's in fair condition, and there's a blizzard. Blizzard delay, can't go hunting. Weather is too severe. Let's take a 1 day break since people are only in fair condition. And do a hunt. And bring home the bacon. Perfect. Got a buffalo. Resting. Weather's a little warmer today, which is weird. We're gonna rest for 1 more day so we can get our health back up to good. Not looking that way. Alright, well, let's roll. See if we can get to this next landmark in 43 miles. And we'll take another break. Okay, this place looks cool. Alright, you found one wagon wheel in an abandoned wagon. That's all they had, huh? That's funny. Alright, let's take 1 day rest before. Squirrel. Deer. Very fast deer. Yes. Oh, there we go. That should be enough. Okay, resting. Plenty of food. 13 miles to the landmark. Could take another break soon. Dalles. There we go. Henry is well again. You reached the Dalles. Let's continue. Take the Barlow Toll Road. I think it's safer than floating down any rivers. Food, fare, let's rest. An ox is sick. Well, what is the deal with these oxes that are getting sick from? Okay. Let's see if we got some animals here. Perfect. Yeah. Good. 200 pounds. And let's check on our pace. We're just doing steady, which I think is the way to do it. Alright, let's roll. Okay, 80 miles to the next landmark. Traveled 1900. And we're in a blizzard. 66 miles to the next landmark. Moving along. I think here on the map you can see we're getting pretty close. Let's stop having blizzards, so we'll be getting pretty far down the trail now. We got lots of food, so let's take a little break. No rush now. Resting it up, eating some food. Perfect. 47 miles to the next landmark. And we're in good health. That's amazing. Sarah has a broken leg. Well, that's not fun. Impassable trail. Does that mean too much snow or what? I suppose. Okay, let's see. How long are we? Okay, February 17th, 1849. Moving along. Let's do a little hunt. Keep our food stocked up, because you never know. A lot of other things can happen on this game. You didn't make it till you made it. And there are no animals out in February, apparently. There we go. Alright. That's what we needed. Moving on, little doggy. Good condition. Oh, fair now. We got a lot of food. Good condition. Good. Weather's getting warmer. It's February 21st. 17 miles. Next landmark. Heavy fog. We cannot move. Suppose oxen can't see where they're going. Here we go. What cool place is this? Congratulations, you have reached the Willamette Valley! No way! That is a first. When I was a kid, dysentery or something else killed everybody. Our score. Carpenter bonus is a 2, whatever that means. So we arrived on February 25th, 1849. Received the following number of points. 4 people arriving in good health. 2,000 points. 1 wagon. 50 points. 4 oxen. Bullets. Lots of food. $146. 4,282. Congratulations, you've made it onto the Oregon Trail list of legends.
everything's Bowtay.